same industry. So it's a very healthy competition.
Ano po ang nakita niyo sa Sephora as a brand na sila ang naging partner niya?
Actually, si Miss Rona, ako kasi as a seller, ikaw as a seller, you are not, hindi mo talaga siya ma-feel or hindi mo makikita yung hirap ng seller kapag hindi mo talaga siya naranasan. So when I saw, nung nakilala ko talaga si Rona, nung nag-live selling siya and so on, doon ko nakita na, OMG, grabe siya. It's really like, katulad nga nasabi ng husband ko kanina na siya ang pinakamagaling na seller. It is, really, she is. Yes, ako kasi sa dami ng nakilala kong seller, it's really not sobrang dali talaga siya. Pero siya, sobrang dali para sa kanya ang lahat. Sobrang, and ay sobrang na-amaze ako sa personality niya, which is, meron kaming magkapareho na kahit, kasi ako, when I started live selling, hindi naman siya like, meron ka na kaagad client. Pero siya, kahit meron or wala, she's really there. Talagang andyan siya, kakausapin niya talaga yung mga audience niya na andun yung energy niya. And doon ko talaga nakita nung nag-start ako na kung ano yung energy niya from the start, ganun ko siya nakikita ko yung sarili ko before. So kaya sobrang nagustuhan ko and she's really sobrang ano talaga, genuine. Sobrang totoo niya talaga. And of course, bukod kay Rona, bukod sa seller, sobrang, as you can see, diba? Kakaiba sila. The jewelry, meron silang crown. Meron silang mga logo na crown. Pero sa Sephora, they have their own unique, very unique na mga logo and the brand. So, nakita ko talaga na kapag andun yung partnership with the Amara, mas mag-guide ko talaga na mas mapalaki si Sephora. And sobrang thankful ako na nangyari itong araw na to.
Thank you. Thank you po kay Miss Rona. Coming from Mr. Ian, na kayo pinakamagaling na seller na nakita niya. And even from the stage kanina when you were giving your keynote, sabi ko, grabe yung enthusiasm niya, yung passion niya, kahit sa malayo ramdam mo. And alam ko, you've been doing this for a long time. How do you keep that fire burning all these times?
Actually, for me, to be honest, live selling, I've only been doing it for almost 3 months. Yes, and I think if you're a girl, I don't know, as a business person myself, I know the struggles of a business. Hindi naman talaga kasi nag-start ka ng negosyo, unang start mo pa lang, meron na kagad benta yan, meron na kagad income na. So I know the struggles when starting a business. So I treat the online selling as the same thing. But I truly enjoy it. You wanna know why? Because diamonds are a girl's best friend. That's why. And so I get so excited na hindi ko namamalaya na, 6 hours na pala. And then I remember our admins would cut me off. Oh, last piece na, last items na, time to go. And I'm like, hindi pa ako tapos. Wait lang, nag-enjoy pa ako. If I could go on and on, I would. And that's one of the reasons then why I am so excited about this partnership. Kasi talagang, imagine Amara, the guiding light or the North Star of the jewelry industry, has seen my potential. And that is even, pressure, pero it makes me even more excited and have that gusto talaga na parang, let's change this. Let's go, Queen.
Congratulations.
Wow, from that answer alone, alam ko na kung paano mag-live sell talaga si Miss Rona. You should really see the enthusiasm para siya nagbebenta sa harapan mo. I think you can do this 24/7 if you can, right, to live sell. Alright, thank you so much, Sir Jojo. Now let's hear it from Mr. Mark Grabador of Entertainment Web. There you go. Hello, sir.
Hello, good afternoon. To Miss Sheena and to Miss Rona. Gusto lang namin malaman po yung konting story lang, yung background lang. Paano tayo umabot sa partnership? Who approached first? And hanggang sa makarating tayo rito sa contract signing? Anyone pa?
Actually, I think it's very organic when that happened. Yun nga, I believe it all started when they saw me dun sa live selling. And then, si Mishina kasi she knows the struggle of live selling. Na hindi talaga siya madali. And I personally have seen it from my husband, who's an online streamer. And syempre, isisingit na rin kita dito. Sayang naman yung pagkabuhan mo, diba? But I've seen talaga yung imagine during the lockdown or the pandemic na online streaming is also pretty hard. Imagine trying to entertain everyone in front of you. And so I got that idea from him. And I guess yun yung nakita nga nila. And also, it's very organic dahil nga nakita ko yung passion talaga ni Miss Sheena. And how they're really willing to help the industry and change it for the better. That just made it an easy yes. So yun yung naging ano, it's just organic. As in talagang, oh, you know, I see your potential. I think we can take Zephyra to the next level. So yun, it was an easy yes.
Yung last time kasi, it was September, na nagkasama kami ni Queen. And then doon ko nakita talaga yung heart niya sa pagla-live selling. So, sabi ko, instead na magkaroon kami ng competition, nag-ano kami sa kanila na i-collaborate namin si Amara and si Fira. So, may, ano kasi yun eh, it's not like, kung makikita niyo si Queen, she's a very English. Sobrang English niya, which is sobrang layo sa personality ko. So, sabi ko nga kanina doon sa aking open remarks, sobrang naging successful yung pag-brand namin kay Janela with the Amara, which is iba naman yung naging market niya. Ako, iba din yung naging market ko, which is sobrang, kung who I am, yun yung nagustuhan ng mga client. So, nakita ko kay Miss Rona na she's really different when it comes to like she do the live selling, and talagang alam ko talaga na mas magugustuhan din talaga siya ng mga client ko. And sobrang hindi siya naging mahirap yung collaboration namin because yun nga, nakita ko sa personality niya na love niya din yung mga client niya.
Possible ba, ma'am, na magkakaroon din ng collaboration ng live selling together?
Ay, yeah. Definitely. Marunong na ako mag-English, sure.
Thank you so much and
Hindi naman
congratulations.
ako ganito dati, no? 2 years ago. Yes, thank you po.
Thank you po, thank you po.
Thank you.